I think that university housing definitely has a design, and there's a grand design in it all. It definitely gives you the tools to succeed, especially in academics.
I lived on campus my freshman and sophomore year. I moved into an apartment my junior year, and then I've come back for my senior year. My grades actually weren't doing that well being away from campus, and I wasn't willing to walk 20 minutes at night to go to the library and then make sure I got home, and just all the resources were here. So I figured if I kind of immersed myself back into campus that I would have more access to those resources.
My friends that live off campus have to wake up hours in advance and consider traffic and other factors when considering time for classes and stuff, versus me, I could honestly wake up 20 minutes before class and make it there on time. I really love going to the gym, so like being a 5-minute walk away from the gym or going to the library, it's just so convenient to be a 5-minute walk away from all the places I love.
The fact that I can just wake up and walk straight to class is always a benefit. All my professors' office hours are just down the road. The same walk that takes me to get to class, I can go talk to any of my professors if I don't understand the material.
I used to live off campus last year. You're far from classes, you're far from the library, you're far from everywhere. So live on campus is convenient for you, you close to the campus resources, you close to the study, so they can help you with homework, the assignment.
Living on campus has had a huge impact on my academic success. Having a ton of study rooms available to me, sit down and be able to focus and get what I need to get done.
If I have exams, I can go to Willie T, or sometimes, actually, I would just go to my own study room. I have the resources that I can go and use when I need it instead of saying, well, I don't want to leave my apartment.
Each one of these halls has a classroom in it. It has their own private rooms anyway, so if they just want to study in their room, they can. So there's a lot of benefits from living on campus that just come inherently when you stay another year.
The best part about living on campus is not having to cook every day. The food on campus is pretty great. There's just so many options and so many varieties of foods that you can eat.
Some days I would like to have more of a Mongolian dinner, but maybe I want something quick and fast like pizza or a home-cooked meal. It's always a 5-minute walk.
Everything's within reach when you live on campus. Food's easy to go get, so even if I'm hungry and I'm studying, I can just be okay, for a 10-minute break, I'm just gonna walk, get food, and come right back and keep studying.
I don't have to think twice before I leave my residence hall. I don't have to think twice about going somewhere across campus at nighttime or anything like that. Everything's really well lit.
I feel very safe on campus. Every time you're walking around, you always see UKPD driving around, and in the fall it starts to get dark, but I felt completely confident walking across campus and safe.
A lot of being successful in your college career is being active on campus, whether that's in clubs or just going to go do things or just having a friend group in general. And if you're off campus, you miss a lot of activities. We've had plenty of events just out in this courtyard where we would host food and music. If I didn't live here, I wouldn't have even known those events went on.
Campus events are so spontaneous and great. You'll come in from a long day and you'll see tons of free food and free events, and it really changes your experience. It's just a great way to feel connected where you live and feel more connected to the University of Kentucky.
I like the sense of community. Living off campus, it was everybody stays in their apartment, they're your neighbors, but you don't know them. Here it feels like we're all living the same kind of community. So I like that a lot, to be a part of something.
I think the best part about living on campus is how fluid it makes to be friends with people. Living on campus gives you a lot of ease to just go be friends. When something happens on campus, whether it's a basketball win or a football win, or there's some big event like a snow day, you get to celebrate it with everybody. Whenever there's something big, whenever something happens on campus, you really get to enjoy that as a whole UK family.
The community is really important for you, the feeling you belong or not. I want to stay here because I just feel like home.
I jokingly say that I've earned 400 new friends every single school year because there's 400 new people in my building every year. And I would definitely say living on campus is definitely your home away from home. I have my RAs, I have my friends on campus, it's just family.